The reporting side of QuickBooks for BDC, it's not really complex. So I think what most BDC want is ability to track the foreign currencies they have in store, which is what they have in the bank at every point in time. And then you can actually achieve that when you go to reports, inventory, inventory valuation summary. So on a read time, the read time, you can always see the quantity of each of the currencies that you have, from euro, pounds, rounds, and US dollars. And then you see the average cost of each of the currencies and the value of what you have in store. So this inventory valuation summary, it's there. Now you can as well change this. If you don't want to call it inventory valuation summary, you can as well go to customize reports, header and footer. So you can just say currency in stock, depending on the name you choose. So you click currency in stock. This will change to currency in stock. And if I don't want to change this every time I come to this report section, I can as well click on memorize this transaction. So which means I want to give this a shortcut, save under account tax. Okay, so if I close this window now and I want to check that currency in stock, I will go to reports, memorized reports. Under accountant, you see currency in stock. So it will automatically display the currency in stock for me at every point in time. And I can as well print these reports. I can export to Excel. I can send via email. Now, aside that, if I want to see my sales information, I can go to sales and I see sales by customer. Sales by customer will show me all the sales, all the money I've realized from my sales, and then the customers that generated that money, or the customers I sold to. So here you see all the sales by customers, and I can as well go to sales by item too. Then it will show me the list of all the sales that I've made and the currencies that generated the sale. Like here, if you look at my sales reports, you will see that from rand I sold 7,500 rand at this amount, and it's 2.3 of my total sale US dollar. So far this will help check the major currency that constitutes the bulk of your sales. Like here, 93% of your sales comes from the sales of US dollars. And you can also view the cost of sales and then the margin. You can see from here we have 22.1% margin, we have 12% margin. So that's what sales by item does for you. So if there are other type of sales you want to check, sales by rep means that if I have rep, just like the way I demonstrated, I can also see all the sales each of the rep is bringing. You can see Malam Habib 10.9, Malam Kabiru 3.9. So I can use this to calculate the commission payable to this rep. Then from there I can move to my purchase. For my purchase I can see let's say purchase by item summary. So I will see list of all my purchases, all the currencies I bought so far, and also the value paid for each of the purchases. Then I can move down to my reports. I want to see my profit and loss position. Now the profit and loss position, or if you need to change, will compare the amount you paid from the purchase of your dollar and then the amount you collected from the sales of your dollar, euro, or pound. So that's what we have here. So the difference between the exchange rate at the point of buying and the exchange rate at the point of selling, that's where you know whether you're making a profit or not. And that's after accounting for relevant costs like the direct cost of buying, regulatory fine, and other office related expenses. Then we can track the costs here. So that's what the profit and loss does for you. Then if you want to check the financial position of your, and here from the companies and financial, you can also do profit or loss year comparison by comparing what you made this year against what you made last year. And then you can also see your income and expense breakdown. Then you can generate a statement of financial position that will show you the value of your business, looking at the asset side, the liability side, and the equity section. So from here you can see the asset side. Like here, let me go to reports, my balance sheet standard. Okay, so here you can see all your assets, the bank. So you can see the euro, the value you have in your euro account, the value you have in your pounds account, your rand account, your USD, the naira, zenith, and then if there's liability, you can also track all the payables in this section. So take your time to go through all these report section, and then master the relevant reports that will be beneficial, that will be beneficial to bureau de change. I mean, and then understand the basic reports. Like I said, a financial report varies by industry. So report A may be very important for industry A, and industry B might not really need it. Report B may be important for industry B, and then so just try to understand the different type of report that the bureau de change would want to look at each time they want to generate their financial report to see how their business is doing. And in this kind of business, sales is very important, currency in stock is very important, profit and loss is very important, expenses is very important, balance sheet, sales by rep, that is if they have marketer. Just take yourself through the system to master how to use it for a bureau de change.